Guys, you're about to learn a hidden gem. This is one of the best self-working card tricks, and I can guarantee you've never seen this version before. Completely self-working, and it's got a killer ending. You will not see it coming. So we use about half the deck. You use 2 spectators, and the first spectator, you ask them to think of any number in between 10 and 20. So let's say they choose 12. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You say to make that number even more random, we're going to add the 2 digits of 12 together. So that's 1 and 2. We're going to add them together, which is 3. So that's 1, 2, and you give this spectator a selected card. You're going to do the same again with the second spectator. Again, they have a free choice of any number in between 10 and 20. Let's say they choose 14. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again, we're going to make it even more fair, even more random by taking the 2 numbers in 14, that's 1 and 4, and adding them together. So 1 and 4 is 5. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you give them that card as their selected card. So 2 randomly selected cards. Then this is the great part. You give the spectators these cards. So the first spectator takes the pack and you say, I want you to deal down the cards like so. And at any point you want, completely free choice, you can put the ace of clubs. So they can put it anywhere they want. Ace of clubs goes in like this. And you give the pack to the second spectator. And again, you give them the cards. The cards are out of your hands completely. They can deal down as many cards as they want, just like this. And whenever they want, it's a completely free choice. Whenever they want, they can put the Queen of Spades in, like that. So it's done in the fairest possible way. So if we spread these out like so, now you can say to the spectators, look, you chose cards in the fairest way possible, and then you had the cards in your hands, and you were dealing, and you literally put these cards wherever you wanted. I'm just going to take the cards above where you stopped. So Queen of Spades and the card above it here, like this, and the Ace of Clubs and the card above it here, like that. The crazy thing is that even though you could have picked any cards, and even though you could have put those cards anywhere you wanted in the pack, the first person, you put your card exactly right next to the card that matches perfectly the Queen of Clubs. The second spectator also put their card right next to the card that matches perfectly the Ace of Spades. And that's crazy because you say, not only did you both choose black cards, not only did you both find the matching cards to those cards, but you actually chose the only black cards in the deck because all of these cards are red. This is a stunning trick, totally self-working. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is probably one of my favorite versions of Gemini Twins by Carl Fulves. I think it's got some beautiful touches. The fact that you get 2 freely selected cards, and then the cards match, and then you've got that killer finale that nobody sees coming, where all the cards are red. It is absolutely amazing. So if you like the trick, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, because we do new tricks like this every single week. You don't want to miss out. Also, if you've got any comments or ideas about the trick, I know I've got a few as well, drop them in the comments section down below and let's have a chat. I try to respond to every single comment that I get here on the channel, so let's do that. Small announcement for anyone who's signed up for the live stream event on the 11th of May. I didn't realize that is Mother's Day. That's a terrible day to do a live stream. So we're going to move it to the week following. It's going to be on the 18th of May. And if you've not signed up to the live stream, this is an awesome event. If you've never done one before, it's where you come and get to hang out with me live. We get to meet each other, and I'm going to teach you my top tier tricks that I don't teach anywhere else. So I don't teach them here on the channel. I don't teach them in any of my courses. It's a one-off event where I teach exclusive magic right then and there. The only way to learn these tricks is to be part of that live stream event. Now, as well as that, we get to hang out. I do a Q&A, so you get to ask me any questions you want about performing magic, how to get better, how to practice, and it's an overall just a brilliant, brilliant thing. If you've not done one before, come along on the 18th, let's hang out. And if you can't make the actual date, as soon as the event's over, you get a full recording of that live stream event in your dashboard on my magic course, and you get lifetime access to that, so you can go back and watch it as many times as you want. These live stream events are limited to 100 places, so if you miss it, you miss out. So if you want to sign up, I'm going to put a link here. I'll put a link down in the description down below. follow it, sign up, and come and hang out with me on the 18th of May. It'd be great to meet you. Don't forget, if you want to stay up to date on my live stream events or you want exclusive discounts on any of the courses that you can't get anywhere else, then sign up to the newsletter. I'll put that in the description as well. But right now, we're going to crack on with the explanation for this amazing trick. I know you're going to love this. You're going to be doing it all the time. Let's get into it. All right, guys. So this is a version of Gemini Twins. It's a great version by Nick Trost, and it's one of the best versions of this trick that I've seen. There's a small setup. It's super easy to remember. It's very, very easy to do. So you're going to take your ace of spades, okay, put it down, and then you remove all of the red cards from the deck. Okay, so 26 red cards. You're going to deal 8 cards face up on the ace of spades. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to put the queen that matches, which is the queen of spades, on top of that. And next you're going to put your next ace, so the ace of clubs. Then you're going to put all your red cards, and you're going to put your matching queen for the ace of clubs, which is the queen of clubs, onto that side. So in other words, you have from the top ace of spades, 8 red cards, queen of spades, ace of clubs, all the red cards, queen of clubs, right? And that is your setup, and that goes on the bottom of the pack. Right, you can start off by apparently shuffling the deck, and you do that using a shuffle that I do all the time on the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'll show you very briefly. All you're going to do is shuffle less than half the cards from the top. So less than half, maybe about that many, and then these are just going to go underneath like that. Okay, so it looks like a very casual shuffle. Give the cards a mix like this, chuck them back underneath, and all that does is it keeps you set up on the bottom of the deck. So you've got all of these still. So now you say you're going to use about half the cards. You pull a card towards yourself so they can't see they can't see this whole setup here like this. And you're just going to go through, and you're going to go through, spread through all of your cards until you get to that first card of your setup, which is the ace of spades. Okay. And then, but you do that with the card towards yourself so they can't see, and put the rest of the cards aside. So now you have 2 spectators. You say to the first spectator, hey, think of any number in between 10 and 20. And this is the 10 to 24, so it's super easy. So they can say any number between 10 and 20. Let's say they say 12. You'll count down 12 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The rest of the cards you put aside, like this. Pick up the cards that you've dealt. You say we're going to make it even more random by adding the 2 digits of 12 together. That's 1 and 2. So we have 1 and 2 together, we get 3. You're going to deal 2 cards onto the pile that you just put aside. So that's 1, 2, and the third card you put in front of the first spectator. Okay, so that's their selected card. These cards, what's left over, just go on top. Then you're going to do the same thing again with your second spectator. So any number in between 10 and 20, let's say they say 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Put these cards aside, pick up the pile that you've just dealt, explain, we're going to make it even more random. 2 digits of 14, 1 and 4, we'll add them together, that's 5. You deal down 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th card you put in front of the second spectator, and that is their selected card. What this has done, it's apparently give the spectators 2 completely freely, randomly selected cards. However, it's now set you up for Gemini Twins. Apparently they've got 3 selections, but really the card that matches the Queen of Spades is on the bottom of the deck, and the card that matches the Ace of Clubs is on the top of the deck. So you can now go into Gemini Twins, and you give this pack to the spectator, and you ask them to deal the cards down. The only thing they need to do here, guys, is because we're using less than half the deck, you just ask the first spectator, hey, maybe stop before you get halfway, because we need the rest of the cards for this guy over here. All right, so you don't want to run out of cards. So you ask him to deal the cards, and just stop before he gets about halfway through the pack. He can stop wherever he wants. And when he does, you place the card, or he can place the card face up, and put these on top. That's your first one. You now say to the second spectator, hey, we've got all of these cards. As you deal cards face down, just stop somewhere before you get to the first face up card. So he deals the cards like this, and he can stop wherever he wants. Wherever he wants, he says stop. Stop. This card goes on top, and then you're going to drop all of these on top like that. So this, if you're familiar with it, this is the classic Gemini Twins trick, where now all you're going to do is remove the card above the Ace of Clubs. So if you think about the cards kissing, being face to face, right? The card above the Ace of Clubs here, like so. The card above the Queen of Spades here, like this. Okay, and then you get this awesome matching trick where they turn over the first card and this card matches perfectly. Second card, this card matches perfectly, and you've got an amazing finish because you say not only did you choose black cards and you found the matching cards, you also chose the only black cards in the pack, and you get this surprise ending. So I absolutely love this, guys. If you like it, hit the like button. If you've got any ideas or comments, drop them down below. And if you want another trick to entertain your people, then check out this one next. It is absolutely awesome. And I will see you soon in the next video.